What is up, guys? Blim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and today we are going to be resuming our part 2 from zero to hero. Yep, so we had ended with 1100. Today we are going to be climbing from 1100 to 1200. Let's build the team at first. So, just some insights. This point of the ladder, people won't have any clue what they're doing, so we'll go with some HO. Last time we had used Mew lead HO, so today we are gonna be using a slightly different version of HO. So let's build the team. Uh, so I'm thinking of a lead. So what should we use? Let's use. Uh, I want to use Azelf. Let's try lead Azelf for Mew or Terrakion. Okay, let's try Azelf. And for the item, let's make it Life Orb. And what the hell? Life Orb. And let's make it Explosion, Stealth Rocks, Fire Blast, Fire Blast, Stealth Rocks, and Beam or Punch. Punch, yeah. Yeah, max attack and max speed. Yep. Now, and I want my remaining attackers. I think I want to go with Hawlucha. So let's try Hawlucha for the second slot. Yeah, I want to try Lucha. So yep, let's make the standard set, and I want to pair it with Lucha Boom. Let's get the Rillaboom. So yep, Lucha Boom. Standard set power hub with, Grassy Seed with Unburden, and yep. So Source Dance, Acrobatics, and let's try. Should we go for Taunt? Okay, yeah. Let's try Source Dance, Acrobatics, Taunt, and Close Combat. Yeah, we will go with that set. And also, uh, I wanted to try maybe like Coco Lucha combo or my Fini Lucha combo, but I think yeah, let's try the standard set. Acrobatics, Source Dance, Close Combat, Taunt. Yeah, let's try this set. And I don't want max speed on my Lucha. I want 0 speed, just me 4 speed and rest in HP. Yeah, I want my bulky Lucha. Now let's go with the Rillaboom, standard SD Rillaboom. Source Dance, Life Orb, Grassy Glide, Knock Off, and Superpower Rillaboom. Want the standard Rillaboom. So, yeah. Now let's try my fourth one, which should be, let's use the Steel type Bishop. We will make you Life Up with standard Life Up Bishop set, Source Dance, Knock Off, Sucker Punch, and Iron Head. Now for the fifth one, what should we try? What should we try? Wanna try like Curem maybe or something interesting stuff. Let's try Blessep maybe. Should we try Blessep? I'm thinking like Tita, no, no, Urshifu. No, I don't want to try Urshifu so early. Victini, Volk, no, Volk isn't. Shouldn't be this good in this part of the ladder. Okay, let's try Blessef. Let's try Blessef. Standard choice card Blessef. Yeah, with Shadow Ball, Flamethrower, Fire Blast, and Overeat. Flamethrower, Fire Blast, and sorry, I mean Trick and Overeat. Let's try Special Blessef. And for the last one, I want to use a Psychic Mon. No, I don't want to use Victini or Lele. I think I will go with. Uh, let's go with. Um, let's go with the Stall Breaking Mew. I think. Should we use a Mew or a Trick Room, Killerian, Slowking? No, it won't be much useful at this point of the ladder. I want to do something like exciting. Let's try Mew. Let's try Stall Breaking Mew. Weakness policy, not leftovers. Weakness policy Mew. Weakness policy, synchronize, and let's try Cosmic Power, Stored Power, Taunt, and Soft Boiled with max HP and max speed. Timid Mew. Yeah, let's try our standard favorite Mew. Yep, their team looks good. So let's move the bishop at top and let's get a game. Let's make the ascent from 1100 to 1200. Let's make the climb. So yep. Okay, we got a game versus. Okay, this Zoroark can be a giant problem. Yeah, this Zoroark can be a giant problem. So I think my Blussef looks really good as a lead. I hope we don't get the Zoroark. So let's lead off with the Blussef. I want to lead off with the Blussef. Okay. I pray this is not a Zoroark. Go for the Shadow Ball because no one else picks Pult. Oh my god, don't kill us! Oh my, I need my Blussef! Holy shit, oh my god, we barely managed to survive. I think I'll go to my Bishop and try to kill it off with a Sucker Punch because Zoroark is very frail. He goes for the Dog Pulse. I think I'll kill it off with a Sucker Punch. Yep, let's kill it off with a Sucker Punch. Now let's go to the Blussef and let's see if we can get a sweep here. Unless that's an... Okay, but he has an Aqua Jet, Urshifu. He has... Chomp should leave a hit from +1, so I think he should... Like, he's going for the Aqua Jet here with this Urshifu, so yeah. Think he's going to the Urshifu and Aqua Jet, yep. So I think I'll switch to my... Or... Is he predicting a Surging Strike? I think Shadow Ball will... Do we leave an Aqua Jet? Thinking like what to do. Should I click the Shadow Ball on his... Maybe Surging Strike on the turn? He can turn... I think I'll go the Shadow Ball. Let's not predict much in this ladder, yeah. Okay, okay, he goes for, oh no, bulk up, Urshifu carries Aqua Jet, okay, thank god he went for the bulk up, predicting my switch, and this is gonna die. Okay, I think this is over. Chomp won't live, unless it's an AV Chomp, it won't live, but yeah, he can go to his Sucker Punch, Dragapult and kill me, so let's find out, because everything else will die. Zeraora will die, Scissor, unless it's a max speed of Scissor, it will die, but yeah, Zeraora will 100% die, unless your Choice Scarf or Focus Sash, yeah. But yeah, it's dead, and I think we won. Unless the Sucker Punch Dragapult. But he should have gone to the Dragapult, right? He should have gone to the Dragapult, and this looks kind of over. I think I'll make my Ezreal Focus Sash for Dragapults and stuff. Let's make the Ezreal Focus Sash. He goes to the Chomp. Chomp is gonna die 100% for sure. So, yeah, let's go to the Dragapult. So, he is gonna die, and Scissor is gonna die, and he can't kill me up with Bullet Punch. So, first game, we got a Blussef sweep. Blussef sweep going on. Yep, let's get the next game. Let's get the next game. Yep, we are on the climb to 1200. Okay, we got Storm Zone's brother, Storm Rider, for the next game. Okay, looking like a Steel Ground, Mono Steel Ground Rock team. Rock Steel Ground team. Okay, okay, I think I'll cook this off with a Fire Blast. It's gonna do like 80% minimum, 85 maybe. Does exactly 86 damage. I think I'll get my shits up, or I can, let's kill this off. This can be a nuisance. Let's kill this off. Okay, we missed the Fire Blast. He goes to the Sandstorm. I think I'll go for the rocks. Let's get my shits up. Toxics me. Go for the punch. Go for the punch again. Okay, so he goes for the defog. I will get up my rocks. I will get up my rocks again. Yeah, now I think my Rillaboom will sweep him. My Rillaboom should sweep him. I think I'll get my rocks up. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, let's sweep him with the Rillaboom. Yeah, because Corv is gonna die, Steelix is gonna die to rocks. So yeah, this looks like a Rillaboom sweep. And as I said, every game is gonna be live. No hidden games. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Basically, that's it. Sacks the Corv on my SD. And yep, Steelix is gonna die. Metagross is gonna die. Metagross shouldn't be faster than us. And yeah, Rhyperior is gonna die, Garchomp is gonna die, T-Tart is gonna get cooked. Unless he is a Sandwell Chomp and he dodges the Glide. It goes for a Life of Outrage maybe. Yeah, that could only kill my Rillaboom. Everything else, Rillaboom will live any hit and kill the Chomp. So yeah, this is gonna get cooked, absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. Cooked, we cooked the Chomp. Let's get the next game because yeah, this I said Rillaboom is gonna sweep. Okay, we got a stall guy. Think I'll lead off with my Azelf and get my shits up. Let's lead off with the Azelf and get my shits up. Yep, he leads. He should lead off with. Okay, he leads off with a Clef. Are you trick Clef? I do not mind the trick. So Azelf is my best thing to trick because I can go for the explosion regardless. Okay, he's going for game turn 1. Okay, I think I have to trick it. Let's trick it. Yeah, I have to trick it. I don't want to play any games with this. Let's trick it. And this one a ladder. He shouldn't attack me. And attacking won't give him much. So yeah. Now I can go for a free Shadow Ball, or I can switch to the Azelf and boom, or I think I can go for the free Shadow Ball because he doesn't have a switch in. This is gonna get Tweet KO'd. It's gonna get Tweet KO'd for sure. Yeah. Blussef is very strong. Blussef is extremely strong with Shadow Balls. Yep. Now I think this looks kinda over. Okay. He will live. Okay. Oh, he goes for the Ice Punch. Okay, this is over. This is hella over. Yeah, he runs for his life. We are almost near 1200. Let's get one more game and seal the deal for today. Yep, we are almost 10 minutes. Okay, we got a game versus Rain. Rain matchup is very pathetic because Barraskewda can, every time it comes in and liquidates, we die. I think I'll lead up with the Usurp and get my rocks up. I want to go for the Explosion, but Explosion won't kill the Philippa, so I will get my rocks up. He should go to the Barraskewda. Let's see if he goes to the Barraskewda or not. Or the Rillaboom. Or the Rillaboom. Let's see. Okay, so let's go for the... I think I will keep this to boom on the Pelipper. I think I'll go to my Rillaboom because my Rillaboom will live every hit and we can thread him off with a Grassy Glide. Please don't go to the Thundurus. Don't go to the Thundurus or the Buzz. Go to the Blissey. He goes to the Rillaboom to turn kill me. I don't need my Rillaboom anymore. I think I'll get Chip on this because he has his Rillaboom to give me the Unburden boost. But yeah, he kills us off with the Bandit U-turn. Now he should go to his Barraskewda. I would have gone to the Barraskewda, but let's see what he goes to. If he goes to the Barraskewda, I will go for the Sucker Punch with my Bish. So let's see what he goes to. If he goes to any other mon, I will go for the Boom. Okay, this is a perfect chance. I think he's gonna defog here. Let's boom on this bad boy. Boom. Yeah, I think I will boom on you. Boom on you. Now, yep, I want to waste a rain turn. I think this is a perfect opportunity to go to my Mew and go for the taunt to waste one rain turn, and then will... I think he's defogging here again. He will try to defog again. He should try to defog again. Yeah, now I think I'll go for the Cosmic Power and go for the game. And this is looking hella over. This is looking hella over. Yep, go for the Cosmic Power. He's gonna turn and give me the boost. He's gonna turn and give me the boost. Get the Weakness Policy boost. So now Blissey can't do shit to us because we have the taunt. We have the taunt and now, yeah. Now I won't talk much, just see what happens. So let's heal up. Let's heal up. Heal up. Yep, and this looks like hella game. This looks like hella over. It looks hella over. He sacks them on. Now he goes to his Buzz. Goes to the Buzzingtons. So now... Yep, this is gonna kill the entire Buzzwole family and this should be game. I think he's gonna run for his life now. I think he's running. He's running. He's running. Yep, and he ran for his life. So GG. Yep, we have climbed the 1200 point today. We have done the live team building and this is gonna be it for today, guys. Yep. So we're on the road to 2K, guys. Smash that sub button, guys. Smash that sub button for amazing content like this. We will hit the top 10. Most importantly, guys, stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye.